In this video, I'm going to talk about the biggest mistake that new leaders make when they come into a leadership role. And that mistake is one that will completely undermine their credibility and keep them from being an effective leader. Imagine yourself as a quarterback on a football team for a moment. The quarterback is the leader of the team, for better or for worse. And the very best quarterbacks not only understand their position, but in every play that's run on the field, they understand what every single person on the team is supposed to be doing during that play. They know how the left tackle is supposed to be blocking. They understand the route that the wide receiver is supposed to be running. They know it all, and so therefore they can direct and lead their team effectively. Now, when you come into a leadership role, a new one, the challenge that a lot of people have is that they don't know exactly everything that's supposed to be going on in their department or within their sphere of leadership. And so the temptation can be, because they're in a role of leadership, is to pretend that they know. And the problem with that is that if you pretend you know when you don't know, people will find out sooner or later, and it will undermine your credibility and keep you from being an effective leader. So what can you do when you come into a new role? Two things. One is public and the other is private. In public, when you don't know, raise your hand and simply say, I don't know. Lean on the resources within your department who have more technical knowledge so that you can get up to speed and be comfortable in your new role. The second thing you can do is in private, study hard. Just like the quarterback studies the playbook so that he can understand exactly what everyone's supposed to be doing, you should also study hard. So be comfortable being uncomfortable in two ways. Publicly, by raising your hand. Privately, by studying hard. This is how you can get comfortable in your new role. And as a result of that, when you're asked a question or when you have to make a leadership decision, you're doing so in a way that enhances your credibility, not undermines your credibility. And by the way, if you are willing to raise your hand when you're first coming into a new role and say, I don't know, it actually enhances your credibility because people understand that you don't know and they're happy that you're willing to admit that. Now, don't keep doing that for 6 months down the road or a year down the road when you should know, and that's why you have to study hard in private. So again, when you come into a new leadership role, be willing to raise your hand, be willing to study hard. Don't undermine your credibility by pretending you know when you really don't. My name is Eric Anderton. Hope you found the video helpful.